This P013F repairing video is dedicated to Nissan's drivers. If your Nissan is getting a P013F error code, this video is going to show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P013F. It means that the powertrain control module is not getting a normal response from the oxygen sensor. Here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Nissan's P013F error code. Method A, fuel injectors. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals, and never use the old seals over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set, otherwise the engine will run unevenly. In order to prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it, so the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. Method B, the oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right after the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with cylinder number 1. Sensor number 2 is usually the downstream oxygen sensor behind the converter. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, replace the oxygen sensor. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Nissan's P013F error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.